Om Sri Sachidananda Sadguru Sai Nath Maharaj Ki Jai. This is Sai Deepak Ji here for you today. Today, as you see, the world situations are not very healthy, and there is so much of that unrest, and there is so much of lack of love, there is red of hatred, there is mass killing of people and bombing of cities. So I thought, let us all pray for some time for world peace today. World peace has become a very important issue. Not only now, it has been and it will always be an important issue. And let us sincerely pray to Baba and all the higher masters and gods to help the world to be in peace. I request Sai Baba and all the higher masters and gods to please restore world peace, world harmony, universal love, universal brotherhood must be restored so that the entire humanity can live peacefully, healthily, happily and wisely. Let us now start the Sai Oneness Meditation. Let us invoke the grace and blessings of Shirdi Sai Baba for the entire world today. Om Sri Sai Sadguru Raya Namo Namaha. 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 Om Shri Sai Sadguru Raya Namo Namaha. Om Shri Sai Rakshak Sharanam Deva. 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 I thank Sai Baba, I thank all the masters, I thank my Guru Sri Prem Ji, I thank all the holy angels, I thank all the noble souls, I thank them because they are offering to help. Om Sai Ram.